When your sharper image heating pad stops working, start with the power supply. Check that the pad is plugged into a working outlet and the cord is securely connected. Next, inspect the cord and controller for any damage. Look for frayed wires, exposed cords, or broken connectors. If the controller is detachable, unplug and reconnect it firmly. If the pad still isn't working, try resetting it. Disconnect the heating pad from the power source, wait exactly 3 minutes for it to cool down and reset, then reconnect and power it back on. Check the controller's indicator lights. If there's no light, the pad may not be receiving power, or the controller might be faulty. A flashing light usually indicates a malfunction. Unplug the pad, reconnect all cords, and plug it back in. Ensure the heating pad is positioned correctly. It should be laid flat and not folded or bunched up, as this can trigger a safety shutoff. Make sure the printed side of the pad is touching your body for proper heat transfer. Remember that these heating pads have automatic shutoff features for safety. Heat typically shuts off after 2 hours, while massage functions stop after 15 minutes. If your pad shuts off unexpectedly, try the reset procedure we covered earlier. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your heating pad issues, there are additional advanced checks and critical safety considerations to address. First, check your heating pad's display for error messages or blinking lights. These indicators provide specific troubleshooting codes that you can reference in your user manual. Some users have found success by slightly loosening the screws in the controller to resolve stiff button issues. However, this is the only modification you should attempt. Important warning: do not tamper with the heating pad in any other way, as there are no user-serviceable parts inside. Safety is paramount when using heating pads. Never use the pad on or near children, unconscious persons, or anyone unable to respond to heat. Burns can occur regardless of the control setting, so check your skin under the pad frequently. Never use the pad with lotions, ointments, or in oxygen-rich environments. If these advanced steps don't resolve your issue, contact Sharper Image customer service for assistance, repair, or replacement, especially if your heating pad is still under warranty. Customer feedback about defects is being escalated to management to address issues that may cause heating pads to fail prematurely. Finally, remember to loop the power cord loosely when storing your heating pad. Tight wrapping can damage the cord and internal components, leading to future problems. Following these advanced troubleshooting steps, safety guidelines, and proper storage practices will help ensure safe and effective use of your Sharper Image heating pad.